In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to watch music videos on Spotify. Let's get started. Spotify has introduced a new feature that allows you to watch full-length music videos directly within the app. First, you'll need to update your Spotify app. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store, then search for the app Spotify. After app appears, if you find the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Now you can launch your Spotify app, browse through your playlist or search for your song. If your music video is available for your track, you will see a small video label next to the artist name. Tap on the song to start playing it. Then tap the playback bar at the bottom of the screen to open full screen player. From there, select the option that says switch to video to begin watching the full-length music video. Keep in mind that streaming videos uses more data than audio-only playback. So if you want to save data, you can tap switch to audio at any time to return to regular music streaming. That's all it takes to enjoy music videos on Spotify using this new feature. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.